Here's the little grunter. Always making noises. What do you think? Are you getting changed? This is cloth diaper. Look at you! Look at you, naked baby. You like to talk, huh? Yeah? Whoop. Whoop. You okay? Trying not to spit up. You're good. You're doing good, you poor thing. Oh. Oh, is that hard work? Can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? And Great Grandma and Great Grandpa? And all the other people who love you? You're like, okay, put some clothes on, finish feeding me. Okay, say bye.